Hey everyone, I thought for today's video I would take you along and vlog my week because there's a lot of exciting things happening. We have a couple of photo shoots that I'll bring you along to and share behind the scenes of behind the scenes. We are also filming a bunch of things for YouTube as well. This week is also the launch of my very own photo editing app, Digital Film, which I'm so excited about, and I'll have more information about that a little bit later on in the video. And oh, we also have a fun little trip planned to go up to Brisbane at the end of the week as well. So yeah, like I said, there's so many things happening. So I'm gonna film this week's vlog on the Sony a7 III, which is what I'm filming on right now, with the Sony 28mm f2, and I also have the Deity D3 Pro microphone attached as well, which is a shotgun microphone. And I also, just to make things easier, because the a7 III doesn't have a flip screen, I'm using the Ninja 5 as my monitor so I can see what's going on. So it's currently Monday morning and I have my coffee in my Los Angeles mug today. And I wanted to get into workflow things because it's the first day of the week. There's a lot of things that I do to get myself set up and prepared for the rest of the week. If you don't use a calendar as a photographer, I would highly recommend to get into the habit of putting every single shoot, every single location scout, anytime you do anything to do with photography into your calendar. That way you can wake up on Monday and have a look at the rest of the week or the rest of the 2 weeks that are coming up to know what's going on. So looking at my calendar at the moment, I'm facing my computer this way, by the way. I've got a photo shoot tomorrow, I have a photo shoot on Wednesday, and then on Saturday, we are going to Brisbane for that meeting. So today I'm kind of going to spend it as an admin day doing a few emails and stuff. I also have a few weddings coming up, so I need to get in contact with my clients and organize everything for those weddings to make sure I'm prepared. And today we're also going to film a video for YouTube for this Wednesday. So that's pretty much what I'm going to be doing for the next few hours. When we're ready to film, I'm going to check in with you guys again, so I will see you soon. Okay, so work for today is pretty much done. Now we are up to filming the video for the week. Also, I don't know if you can hear, but I'm getting over a cold. I got sick over the weekend. So I really hope I don't sound too nasally in the Sony Mark II vs Mark III video. I'm pretty much ready because I didn't want to look like an actual potato at the beginning of this video, and I just have to do my eyeshadow now. It's funny because I know what pretty much every single slider in Lightroom does, but I can never remember what eyeshadow to put where in my eyes. So I have a notes on my computer that tells me what to do. So that's what I'm going to do right now, and then I'm going to show you guys how we record our videos. I ruined it. Fixed and done before I ruin it anymore. Now we need to clean up the office because this is our backdrop for the video. I had the reflector up there on the window for the shots earlier so I wouldn't be overexposed. We have the Sony a7 II, which we'll be talking about, the a7 III, which I will dismantle when I finish this. We're still using the Aperture Tri-8 mini softbox to be the main light for our videos, just because it looks so pretty. And we've got another little aperture light up there as well. And this is Dan's camera rig. If you guys want to see a full video on how we film our videos, I'll leave that link down below or pop it up on the screen here. And this is where I sit. This is what I look at when I'm filming videos. And I can see you guys on the screen. Camera inception. Finished filming the video. I think it went pretty well. So now I'm going to edit it. So I'll show you guys a time lapse of what it looks like when I'm putting together one of these office videos. Tomorrow, before or after the photo shoot, we're going to film some B-roll with both the cameras as well to include in the video, so it's not going to be done today. But yeah, this video will be up this Wednesday, so for you guys, it's last week and it's already up, so please go check it out if you haven't seen it already. Evie, she finally woke up from her nap. She was sleeping all day today because it was raining. Good Good morning everyone! It is Tuesday today and Dan and I are on our way to today's photo shoot. So normally when it comes to a photo shoot, I know exactly what location I want to shoot in and what the location looks like. However, we had a last minute change of plans last night with the transportation and the model getting to the location that I had initially planned on. So today we are arriving at our shoot about 45 minutes earlier to do a little bit of location scouting in the suburb that we decided to shoot in instead. So I'll show you guys a little bit of the locations that we're looking at and the ones that we find, and insert some of the photos that we'll be taking later today so you can see what the location looks like and then what the final image looks like as well. Found these pretty pink flowers which would be cool for a portrait. And then I also found this beautiful wall of plants and this amazing willow tree as well. So we've got like a bit more of a tropical theme than I imagined for the shoot, but I think this is going to look so beautiful and it's perfectly backlit as well. We just wrapped up the photo shoot that we were doing today, which went amazing. This video will go up in about 3 weeks time, so not too long to wait, but there's a few more exciting videos coming up on my channel soon before this one. But I really can't wait to share it because I'm so happy with all the photos that we took. Dan and I were going to film some b-roll for tomorrow's video, but it was so hot while we were shooting. I think it was in like the mid-30s and we were in the sun and I'm super sweaty and I have my hair up in a bun just so it's out of my face. So I think we're going to film that tomorrow instead, just so I feel a little bit more fresh. Hey everyone, it is Wednesday today and we are at our location. I'm wearing the same outfit that I was wearing on Monday because we are filming b-roll for today's video, which goes up online today. We're cutting it a little bit close with when we're filming the footage and getting the video ready. Usually I have the video done the day before I upload it, but because this week has been super busy, we are doing it a little bit more last minute than usual. And it's like really stormy today and super windy. Dan is currently setting up the camera. This is the Sony A7 Mark II and we have the Atomos Ninja 5, sorry Dan, attached to the camera. So we're going to be taking some photos and filming what you see on the screen while you're shooting, just to test out the autofocus, and then we'll do the same thing with the A7 III, which I'm currently filming on. So then we can compare and I'll have all that b-roll footage inside today's video. Hi Dan!
Hello!
We have the shot set up. Dan is over there. And I think that looks pretty good. The Atomos is recording, so now I'm just going to shoot some photos of Dan. And we'll do some movement photos as well where he's walking around. And basically use this recording in today's video. But yeah, I think we wrapped it up and now it's time to go edit the video. Hey guys, it's Thursday. I'm here with my sister, Georgina, and Dan over there. Hopefully I'm pointing the camera at you.
Probably not.
And today we have another photo shoot that we're doing. Today's photo shoot is a little different to usual. We are doing an iPhone only photo shoot challenge, which is going to be really fun. And it'll be up next week, Wednesday, for you guys to watch. And the reason that we are doing this photo shoot challenge is because I'm really excited to finally be able to tell you guys this, because I've been keeping it a secret for so long, is that I have my own photo editing app on the iPhone. So the app is called Digital Film and it was designed by me, and it's got my own color filters that I created to work on phone photos. And my very talented and creative cousin Leo developed the app. So it's a really personal project that we put a lot of time and care into, and we're super proud of how it's all turned out. So if you haven't already, please go and download it. It'll be out this Sunday on the 3rd of February. So yeah, I'll leave a link in the description as soon as it's available to download. But we are gonna start shooting. Yeah! And Dan's like ready to go. This is our location today as well. I feel so unprepared for this photo shoot because all I have with me is my phone. Didn't bring a camera bag or anything and I just feel very like bare. But yeah. Amazing race. These are just you down. so cool. We ordered some bamboo online and it just got delivered today. That's so pretty. Oh, and we got lavender too, just to plant. That's random, but I thought I'd share how plants get shipped when you order them from a different state. Hey guys, it is Friday and Dan and I finally have time to be in the office. We get to catch up with some work. We're going to film some videos to do with the digital film app, so tutorials and the introduction to the app and things like that as well. And we also have time to edit videos, and I also like to do my Friday weekly end of the week checklist kind of thing, which kind of finishes up the week for me. I really like to get this checklist done as it helps set me up for when I start work again on Monday. So things that I've included in the Friday checklist are little things like cleaning up my desktop and my downloads folder in my computer. I've also got to clean up my hard drive and make sure all my backups are up to date. Even though I download and back up photo shoots straight after we finish shooting, I do like to just double check that everything was done correctly, especially during a really crazy week like this week. Then I have also other little things that are a little bit more boring but still necessities when you run a business, such as clearing out all the receipts that have piled up in my car and in the office and around the house throughout the week for tax purposes. Sorry if you can hear construction next door, by the way. I also like to do something called a brain dump, where I pretty much grab a piece of paper and I write down everything that I think needs to be done that I didn't have the chance to do this week and that I really need to get started on at the start of next week. And then I can just kind of shut down my computer and relax and not think about work throughout the weekend. Also, I braided my hair last night while it was still wet and it's so curly today, which is perfect because we're going to be recording some videos now to do with the digital film app. Also, I'll show you our setup for that.
We've just switched to the 50 to 100 to get a close-up shot of Jules's hand.
This is the main shot that we're getting for the app. This screen with my hand and the phone is going to be kind of in the background. And then I'm also screen recording what I'm doing on my phone as well, which is going to be placed on the left-hand side of the video. So I'm really happy with all the app tutorials that we filmed today. I really can't wait to get them online. So I'm gonna be editing for the rest of the night and then getting ready to wake up early to go to Brisbane tomorrow. So I already know I'm going to be exhausted on Sunday after the photo shoot, so I'm gonna end the vlog in this shot, which you will see at the end of the video. The reason that we came all the way up to Brisbane is because we had a meeting today with a couple whose wedding we're shooting in Scotland in a couple of months. So we really wanted to meet up with them in person and talk about everything to do with their wedding and also get to know them and stuff like that. So yeah, we just finished the meeting and it went really, really well. I'm happy. And now we're basically just walking around Brisbane, killing some time until our flight back home. Today I had a last minute booking from a client. We are doing a social media / campaign / website photo shoot for the designer Susie Rose. We are hopefully going to avoid the storm that's happening today because it is due to rain around like 7 p.m. today, so hopefully we'll be done before then. And we are also filming a behind the scenes of this photo shoot too, so you guys will be able to watch that really soon. Well, that is pretty much my entire week as a photographer. This time we had 7 full-on days of photo shoots and videos and just everything. There was so much going on this week, but I really hope you guys enjoyed watching. I did mention that I wanted to talk about organization as a photographer, and I think I'm going to create a dedicated video about that because there is so much information that I want to give you guys that we didn't really have time for throughout today's vlog. But yeah, let me know what you thought about everything in the comments. Let me know if you're excited about the digital film app. I literally can't wait for it to come out in just a few short days and you guys will all be able to use it really soon, which is amazing. But as always, I make new videos every single Wednesday, so I will see you guys all next time. Bye!